Hello my brothers and sisters, and welcome back to another episode, yes, yet another one, of Chris the Butcher and Friends. And tonight, we're stepping into the Idiot Kitchen. And what are we doing? You already know what we're doing because it's in the frigging title, isn't it? Yes, we're doing the good old English, British classic, cheese on toast. To start this classic, I like to use some really finely chopped onions, and this is how we do them. Ah, fucking magic. So there is our onions, magically chopped, and in there, right, I'm going to throw a good couple of handfuls of grated cheese. Obviously, it's not going to be cheese on toast like fucking cheese, is it? Hey, and then we're going to go in there with some crap black pepper, some good old sea salt, even though there's a tiny bit of salt in the cheese, we don't care. And last but not least, lashings and lashings of we fucking love garlic in this house. Right, and just get your hand in. You want the cheese and your onions all mixed together. Because basically that's going to be the topping for your toast, isn't it? Hey, cheese on toast with onions. I was going to put some Worcestershire sauce in there, but it turns out I ain't fucking got any, so I can't. So that idea's gone with the wind. Right, let's sort our bread out and the fuck's that? Yeah. Oh, what that is. We don't fucking want it in, do we? Right, I'll be back in a minute. So our choice of bread today is, for our cheese on toast, is... yes, a Warburton's Tiger Bloomer. Do you know what? The best bread in the world is Tiger bread. Now, this was on special with 34 pence. This is only good for toasting, I'll be honest, right? Because it's a bit out of date, you know. We want 4 slices. There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of Tiger bread. Oh, baby. And, obviously, I've got the grill, or as you Americans call it, the broiler. I'm going to toast both sides of that, and then I'm going to put my filling on, because that then it'll be, ultra crispy. Well, there is my toast, done. And we're nearly there, brothers and sisters. All we need to do now is get this. If you're wondering why I put it in the roasting tin, right, it's because you're going to get spillage and I don't want it all over the oven. Plus, everybody knows I love burnt cheese. And that's what will be on the bottom of that pan afterwards. Burnt cheese. Oh, it's food of the gods. Right? It's a bit sticky. I could be here a while. Right. I'm not being too careful with this. But, yeah, I want to try and cover every inch of the bread. So I don't want, you know, otherwise the edge of the bread will burn, won't they? Because I've already toasted the bastards. Yeah. I said, Lou, you'll enjoy these. They're a bit... She went, you put a fucking egg in them, have you? I went, no, look, honest to God, there's absolutely no egg in this whatsoever. And there isn't. Bit more pepper. There we go. And these are now going back under the grill or the broiler. for, I don't know how long, well, until that is bubbling and kind of burnt and charred on the top. Yes, you'll see that in about, I don't know, about 2 seconds. And they are done, brothers and sisters. My cheese on toast for the idiot kitchen. Yes, the edges are a little bit burnt, but if you like me, I don't mind that. Listen, you could just put cheese on toast, but I added onion, salt, pepper, and a shitload of garlic. So there it is. Yeah, baby! Right, let's get up here and slide one of these beauties down me gizzard. Cheese on toast. Yes! Episode 4 of The Idiot Kitchen, if I remember correctly. And this is cheese on toast. Cheese, salt, pepper, garlic, and onions on a tiger loaf. That onion is just makes it. And the garlic. My God. That is a finger beauty. Look. Look how thick it is. I'm getting a room with this. You lot can go and fuck off. Do you know what? That was episode 4 in the rendition of The Idiot Kitchen. And that was cheese on toast, which you already know. You know what I mean? I added cheese, onions, garlic, salt, pepper, tiger bread, use whatever bread you want. In fact, you're making cheese on toast, you can use whatever fucking cheese you want, whatever bread you want, whatever you want. You know what? You can even stick an egg on there. I couldn't do it because Lou would have gone ape shit. Right? So, I liked it. You know what? It was, I know it was quick, I know it was simple, but it had to be done. Cheese on toast has got to be done. That was one tasty fucking snack. And I liked it. If you liked it, press like, comment, share it on your social media, and subscribe. And become a family member of #TeamCTB, where I fucking love you.